Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Brandon with Doing USA. We're about to go up the Arbuckle Mountains. As you can see here, you can see the Lazy S Ranch. That's an indicator that you're at the foothills of the Arbuckle Mountains right here on the side. And you'll see there's a lot of there are a lot of windmills. There's a lot of wind power windmills that are dotting the skyline. But we're at the foothills of the Arbuckle Mountains, about to go up and over. We're heading to Davis, Oklahoma. And what we're doing is we're going to swing by and we're going to give you guys a shot of Turner Falls in the winter. Now, I know there's no snow on the ground. It's about 47 degrees outside. I wanted y'all to see what the landscape was. If you're ever driving north from Dallas up I-35, make sure you stop by Turner Falls and look at the, take a gander at the falls itself. We'll tell you the exit when we get here. Exit 47.
There it is.
When you exit on this exit, you'll take a left. Turner Falls is around the way, and you'll come out on the other end by Davis, Oklahoma. Okay, we're going on the scenic overlook up around where we got off of I-35, and we are about to come up on Turner Falls area. You can look down through that way, Dana, and zoom in. See for miles from right here. And what you're looking at is Davis, Oklahoma, Wynnewood, Oklahoma, and you're looking north to Oklahoma City. Okay. Probably won't pick up very well in the car, but here is the scenic overlook. So we're going to stop here real quick, and we're going to take a little video of Turner Falls itself from the scenic overlook. There's the City of Davis Police. The City of Davis is a city that actually maintains the falls and the park here in Davis, Oklahoma. Okay, we're going over to the scenic overlook, the Turner Falls overlook. And as you can see, there's the falls. This creek that runs through here is called Honey Creek. And over the years, there's been lots of hunting and fishing on Honey Creek and camping. And as you can see right here, there is it looks like an old castle. Well, that old castle was actually a summer vacation home for one of the presidents of the college at OU that was built there. Over there on that top, you can see where there's a road that goes up, and there's camping on top of the ridge up here for campers. We've got the windmills in the background, or the electric wind powered generators in the background. And that is Turner Falls. Okay guys, so what we're going to do, as you can see, a lot of people drop their trash and are too lazy to pick it up. Yeah, we come down. Come down to the wall of locks. Now the authorities have put up this fencing so that there would be not very many people go beyond this point, so they wouldn't fall off and down into the falls area. And since they've put this fencing up, hundreds of people have put these locks of love on these panels. Now, these locks of love are something that the Parks Department, they consider these either vandalism, or they consider these graffiti or just plain out trash. And so, but as you can see, if you go around the parks, you will see these walls with locks hung all over them on fences, and they usually dot the landscape, but these are at least isolated to just this one area. Hundreds of locks. They're locks of love or locks of friendship. Here's one, Sydney loves or plus Hudson. Here's the one dated 10/21/23, DM and AS. Here's one, to my middle child, love you so much, Mom. 12/8/23. Some of them are new, some of them are older. So you'll see these things. Here's one, Teddy. It's also 2023. A lot of these are 2023. Do what, babe?
There's an old one right there by that orange mast.
Right here? This one's old?
Yeah.
Well, it may be old, but the date on it, I don't know what the date is. All right. So as you can see, right here is the falls above. Let me ask you a question. Do you consider this graffiti, or is this something that you would leave behind and create for yourself? Would you leave a lock of love for someone you really care about? Put it in the comments and let me know, and we'll see you next time. We're going to go to the basketball game. Okay, so we're leaving the Turner Falls area, or at least the overlook area. We're going to weave our way down through the mountains, coming down on the other side. Pretty curvy road, so you want to take your time, go slow, enjoy the scenery. The Turner Falls recreation area is to our left in that canyon where the creek flows through. And all down through here, you're not allowed to park. And you notice these there's a lot of green trees even in the winter. These are eastern red cedars. They are a nuisance tree. They grow right out of this rock. They don't need a lot of soil. They don't have a very deep root system, and they don't need a lot of moisture to grow. But they'll grow on the side of these rocky mountains, and so they help make the Arbuckle Mountains seem to be green all year long, because we use them as Christmas trees around here, but they're eastern red cedars. Going to go around the corner here. We're going down the mountain on the north side. We have a mountain to our right and the valley with the creek in it to our left. And we have the campgrounds. There's not a lot of people camping right now. And we have the Blue Hole. This is where everybody goes swimming, and over the years there's been several deaths in the Blue Hole. We are going to actually pull in here. This is the Turner Falls Park entrance. Now we're not going to go all the way in because we don't have the time, and we don't want to have to pay the fee for a truckload of people, but we are going to come right through here. You see the sign?
Not really with the sun behind it. Maybe we can get a better view on the way out.
Well, it may not have that on the back side. It's all right. And look at the Honey Creek is to our right now. We're going down in here. Now,
Looks kind of like it's honey flowing down in there, yellow and green.
well, that's all the algae on the rocks. But here is the Blue Hole, and the Blue Hole has a slide, has diving boards, and you can see it's really clear. But I've swam there when I was a kid. That is approximately 10 or 12 foot deep off of those diving holes. But there are rock ledges, as you can see in the water. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it in the camera. You can see the rock ledges, but this is where you'll find the locals and the travelers swimming right here all summer long. And but it is slick and it is dangerous, and they shut this down when we get a big rain because they do not want to flood the area. This is the Turner Falls area. There you go. They have some cabins, they have curio shops and all that. I'm just gonna tell her we want to turn around. We was just filming for on our video channel. All right, this is the road out of Turner Falls. It looks like we're going back towards the southeast, but we'll come up here, and I'm hoping that we won't be able to do a U-turn, but we'll hopefully take a left, get back on the highway, and then we're going to head to Davis, Oklahoma, which is not far from here. There it is. That's where we came by a while ago. All right, we're going back down the hill like we did a little bit ago, but this time
This truck might not enjoy us being right behind him.
This time we are not going to go. That's where we were coming out. Can't see it. We're going to go all the way out of here and to Davis, Oklahoma. Oh, there it is right there.
Got it.
Good.
There's all the contributors.
There are cabins that you can rent. There are church camps here in the Arbuckles that come up here and bring the kids in the summertime. But all of this is Honey Creek, and it's a really neat place to come and camp out. Also, while you're up here, make sure you stop and get a fried pie. This little area is one of the big stops between Oklahoma City and Dallas for fried pies, and they make some good ones. Also, if you're into barbecue, you want to stop at Davis, Oklahoma, and you want to check out Smokin' Joe's Barbecue. They are an excellent barbecue place, and we eat there often. There's a creek.
Honey Creek Campground.
Here's the fried pie area. Now this is right off the interstate as well. It's on the north side of the falls area, but it's Arbuckle Mountain fried pies. Go in there, try you a fried pie. You won't be unhappy. No, right up here. Let's grab Smokin' Joe's. Across the interstate, you'll run into the Ouachita River. We just now crossed back over I-35. We're on the east side. There is a campground on the right side, River Bottom Campground. We're going across the Ouachita River. Just film out that side. And as you can see, the Ouachita River runs into Lake Texoma. Big fishing. It's a big fishing river locally, and as it goes down throughout southern Oklahoma. Right here on the right, you have Smokin' Joe's Barbecue, and look at all the cars. It's about 1 o'clock, and you can tell it's busy. Really good place to eat, guys. Make sure you go to Smokin' Joe's. And we are entering Davis, Oklahoma. That's the end of our video, guys. Thanks for traveling along with us today. And guys, get out there and get doing USA. Thank you so much for being subscribers. Please hit the like button below and make sure you ring the bell so that you'll get notified of future videos. Y'all have a good day.